This was on our way to Hoover Dam. We didn't really have any plans for today, so we just decided to go to Hoover Dam. So we'll take you on our adventure.
Down during the heat of the day, and by the end of that day, that quarter sinks into the freaking black. Just kind of
Just desert, just the housing and. Oh yeah, my dad will like this. People will laugh at me about this, but from a girl who lives in Oregon who's never lived anywhere else but Oregon, it rains 9 months of the year here. So the desert is amazing to me.
How it changes colors from the water to white and then darker colors. The white is where the water line used to be, which is way down.
Take exit 2.
You can't drive over the dam anymore. Or you shouldn't be able to.
No, we could.
They were building the other overpass in the meantime. I'm scared. Yep. He needs to tighten up his duty belt. And there's the contract security. You see, this is that.
Gonna take out the dam.
This is that new bridge that they
because
built.
It's a government. They thought
Well,
somebody
this
would.
Bridge was here last time I was here.
Yeah.
Because we stopped. You can park up there and walk across it.
When we came up, when he was 4, they were building this. Because I was trying to come Arizona way, and it was all blocked off down there. Look up there, but you can't get into Arizona. It's blocked off up there.
Wait, is it the dam? Arizona?
Yeah, I'm talking like driving up and over. Because normally
We didn't come in like this.
you would, if you were going this way to get into Arizona, you drive through and you go up that way, and it drops you into Kingman.
Yeah, now you have to go back out the way you came.
You have to go back out this way, across the bridge, and then down, and it'll link up with this road down there, about 4 miles on the other side of the bridge here into Arizona, and that's where they kind of link up and are molded back together.
I want to go where we can be 2 states and him in the middle.
Take a picture.
Yeah. We didn't drive across last time.
Yes, we did.
We did. We have to get Bentley on the thing.
On the what?
On the TikTok thing, like you did last time.
Oh, on the compass?
Yeah.
That kid's gonna fall off.
Those are Hoover Dam people.
Probably. They're dam workers.
Looks like everybody's having a damn good time.
Damn good time. They are having a damn good time.
It's a damn fine day.
Damn fine day.
We're taking a damn fine damn selfie.
A damn selfie.
Damn selfie. Oh.
Don't drop your damn phone. Oh, nope, that's not right.
That wasn't the right one to say.
It's a damn cop.
It's a Hoover Dam. It's a damn cop. Oh, he wasn't impressed with us. You're like, oh, we're gonna have to walk a little bit.
I don't want it.
He's gonna sit in
Just get out right now.
He's gonna sit in the car.
So no parking. I can't. You're gonna have to walk the damn, distance.
I don't want to. I'm not wearing walking shoes. I said that earlier, didn't I? Wasn't it clear?
You're the one that
You needed to say it louder. You said you were deaf, and I needed to talk louder when I.
Yards. You'll be fine. You'll be damn fine.
Can we stop with the jokes?
What joke, son?
I'd like to see you make a damn joke, Ben.
Yeah.
We will not stop the damn jokes until you say a damn joke.
Will I get in trouble if I say it?
Nope.
No.
Because it's not even swearing. This is just D-A-M, not D-A-M-N. It's that N that makes it a bad word. That's a damn nice car.
I've never seen this overflow full. Never. Because the overflow, in order for it to be full, look how high it's got to be.
Yeah. So I'm saying, but no, the first time I Not this
Oh, you're
Yeah,
talking
see?
like way out there, yeah.
Like right here where the red and white line.
Well, see, what happens is when it rains and floods here, this will fill up real quick.
And then
And so when it fills up, it'll fill up to the line here. It's going to be overflowing.
it's gonna be high enough to get that wall.
Yep.
Well,
And that,
that's also a drain.
yep, it is a drain. And I'll show you out here when it's called the sun chaser. And they use that to test the heat-seeking capabilities of the rockets back in World War I and World War II. And it attached to the top of an airplane, that's the one called the sun chaser. In this water, and that's where it sank right out here.
You push your bike too?
No, I think the crew got out, but they had to salvage all the top secret stuff out of there. But you can go sit in the plane and all that. It's about 100. I can't let you stay on the wall, but you can lean over.
Holy. Right here, Dan? That right
Yeah.
there is what?
It's a memorial for people who've died. And then the vents,
Died during construction.
hundreds of them.
I will never cure. That is crazy to me. We're walking on uncured concrete.
So thick.
But did you see the vents where they, like a window? Right? That's water rushing through.
I feel bad for those cars down there. If
Well,
it
those are
starts
workers.
flooding. I really feel bad if it starts flooding in this area.
Yeah, they'll know before we do. So the water comes down.
Those are,
So there's
it looks like
this one, and then there's
from Borderlands,
two over
on the
there. Memorials.
psychopath one.
It'll show you over here at the center.
The visitor center's closed.
Hawaii doesn't change times either. It's like half the year, it's 2 hours.